So in today class, we are going to discuss about user interface. Okay, navigational elements. Team, is everybody registered for Servicenow instance?
Yeah, it was created, but still it's showing waiting list.
Okay, okay. So Ashok, you can mute yourself. Mhm. So in today class, we are going to discuss about navigational elements. Okay, let's see. One second. Okay. So basically, when we are connecting with the clients or when we are connecting with the customers or end users in the real time. So when they are giving the requirements, okay, they will say simply, you can navigate to here, you can create this, so then you will get this option, something like that. So if we want to understand those things, so we have to uh, learn the navigational elements within the ServiceNow instance. Okay, we have to navigate the navigational elements. Okay, that we are going to learn in today class. So for that also I have prepared one document. So I will share this document like after the class. Okay, so you can see. Hmm. So otherwise I will take this icon. So let's start. Okay, lovely. So you can see. So we have this area, right? So we have this area. Okay. So this entire area we are calling as a banner frame. This entire area we are calling as a banner frame. So you can see. So this entire area we are calling as a banner frame. So whatever I selected here, okay, we are calling it as a banner frame. Banner frame. We are calling it as a banner frame. Okay. So this entire area we are calling as a banner frame. Okay, team. Got it? So from this area, we are calling it as instance logo. We are calling it as instance logo. In real time, generally what you will see here, you are going to see your organization or your project related logo. Okay, in real time, you are going to see your project related logo, your organization's logo here. And when you hover on this service now, you are going to see something. One second. So you can see service now, service management. We can say instance title or instance name. Here we are seeing. You can say what is the instance title? Service now, service management. Service management is the instance title you are seeing. Next. So when I click on, if I open this panel, it is not allowing to click. Okay, if we click on all, we click on all, it will open application navigation frame. It will open a application navigation frame. When we click on all, okay, it will open a application navigation frame. Application navigation frame. So here we have pin icon, right? If we click on this pin icon, it will stick to the left side of the screen. If we unpin this, so it will just, when we click on it, then only it will open. Otherwise, it won't. Okay, this is a pin icon. We click on pin icon, so it will stick to the left side of the page. Next, favorites icon. Favorites icon. Generally, in real time, we will try to open. In real time, we will try to open few of the tables, few of the applications regularly. Okay, instead of daily typing here, so if we make it favorite, okay, like quickly we can open those links from here. Okay, for example, these all are my favorite links. Okay, next, history, wherever we are navigating, so that navigational elements will appear here. You can see. So yesterday in previous classes, I went to developer history, Servicenow user records, system administrator user records, my tasks record. Okay, all these I navigated. Okay, it is showing those history here in the history tab. So this is also we can able to pin. So even this is also we can able to pin. Okay, this is about history. Like wherever we are navigating in the instance, that will appear. Workspaces, workspaces. Okay, like it will show multiple workspaces. You can see asset workspace, CMDB workspace, ITOM infra service workspace, knowledge center, process mining workspace, request app workspace. Okay, different workspaces are appearing here. For example, I'm going to the service operations workspace. Okay, it will show in the different structure. I just clicked on the service operations workspace. You can see how it is appearing. Wait, I think it's loading. You can see it is appearing like this. So for example, I'm going to the list view. From here, I will open something. So all interactions. It is opening different pages within the single window. Okay, this is about workspaces. Next, we have admin. Here we have admin. When we click on admin, it will navigate to the different admin pages. You can say, for example, I want to navigate Navasist admin. I'm just clicking here. It will navigate to the Navasist admin page. It may loading. Okay. Okay. Navasist skill set, Navasist experience, like this. Okay. So like whatever the page you are trying to navigate, so you can able to navigate from the here. Next, I'm just clicking on home page. So you can see here what it is showing Servicenow. What it is showing Servicenow. Like whatever the page we will open within the Servicenow, like whatever the page we will open within this page. So the page title will appear here. The page title will appear here. You can see now it is showing Servicenow. Okay. I'm going to the favorites. I'm just clicking on instant all. Now it will show, you can see, Servicenow incidents. For example, I'm trying to open one record. Wait, it's loading, I think. Okay. So here also it is showing the incident, Servicenow instance. If we go to the change, you can see title got changed. So if you want to make favorite, you just click on here. So when you click on this favorite icon, that will be added to this favorites list. Okay. Next. So this is a application picker. This is a application picker. This is a update set picker. Application picker and update set picker. Maybe for you team, so this application picker or update set picker will not able to see you. Okay, you may not able to see. But why it is not? It is appearing in my screen because so we have Google Chrome extension, SN Utils. SN Utils Chrome extension. You just type like this. So you can click on first link. Okay. So here for you, it will show add to Chrome. Here it will show for you, it will show add to Chrome. You can add it. So it will get like this SN Utils tools for service now. You will get like this. Okay. You can try to add. We have benefit from this SN Utils. Okay. I'm just closing it. Next, this we have search icon here. This is a global search. This we are calling as a global search. Here it is a search icon. This we are calling as a global search. Global search. Okay. Next. What is this? Here it is appearing some globe icon. So it contains a application picker and update set picker. You just click here, you can see it contains a application picker and update set picker. Okay, team. It contains a application picker and update set picker. This icon is a support chat. This icon is support chat. When you click here, so you can see support chat. If somebody sent message to you, it will appear here. Okay, yes, you can see. Something for example, able to send hi admin something, some message. So that message will appear. Okay, if something is happening within the system, that will be appear here. You can see change request close, change request close, change request close. So, like information messages will appear here. Okay, this is a support chat. So what it is, usage analytics. It will show trending reports. Okay, I'm just click down here. So you can see usage analytics from last 30 days, like what users log into mostly. So like what pages we have used, how much time we have spent, all these will appear here. Okay, all these will appear here. Okay, this is usage analytics. This content could not be loaded, it's okay. Okay, next. This is a show help icon. Help icon. Okay, when you click on any of these links, it will redirect to the docs.servicenow.com. Okay, so this is about help center. Next, notifications icon. So if any notification was sent to us, that notification will appear here. Any notification is sent to us, that notification will appear here. Okay, this is about notification icon. Next, user profile, current logged in user profile. This icon is a current logged in user profile. So currently we log into with system administrator user account. Currently we log in with system administrator user account. Okay, team. So this is about banner frame. So this entire screen, we are calling as this, like whatever I selected here, we are calling it as a banner frame. Whatever I selected here, we are calling it as a banner frame. Okay. So next, instance logo or organizational logo, instance name, service management, you can say. So application navigation frame will open when we click on all. Favorites, so quick links will open. History, wherever we are navigating, okay, that navigations will open. You can say in today class, so I have opened one incident. I also open our system admin page. I also open change request page. I also open interaction, service operations workspace. all those appearing, you can see. Okay, this is history. So within ServiceNow, we have different workspaces. That workspaces will appear here. And admin, we have different pages here. Okay, all those pages will appear here. So this is a favorite icon. Like whatever the page we have opened, that page title will appear here. Whatever the page we have opened, that page title will appear here. Okay. Application picker, updates at picker. Okay. Application picker, updates at picker. Global search. Global search. If you want to search for something, if you want to search for something, so you can search any incident number, any request number, any change number, or any knowledge number, something you want to check within our ServiceNow instance. You can type that content here. So and you can search. So if that content is available, so it will appear the results. Otherwise not. For example, I'm trying to search this 10004. You can say directly this record will open. For example, look at this. So you can see the results are appearing like this. The results are appearing like this. Okay. This is about global search. So for example, I'm trying to search something. I'm just going to the home page. I'm just going to the home page. So I'm just searching with test, the keyword test. You can see like wherever this test keyword is there, all those results are appearing. You can see within this 29 within this 29 results, we have test keyword is there. Okay, like this we will get results, and we can navigate to that related record. Okay, this is about global search. Next. Next, you can see this is a globe icon. Like what this globe icon contains, it contains a application picker, updates set picker, domains operation picker, crypto module picker. All those pickers will appear here. Okay. As of now, mostly we will use this application picker and update set picker only in the real time. Okay. Application picker and update set picker. Next. Support chat. If somebody sent message, so that message will appear here. Okay. This is usage analytics. Like it will show some trending reports. This is a help icon. This is notification icon. This is user profile icon. Okay, team. So this is about banner frame. And here we have different options again. You can see when we click on user profile, here we have different options. So first option is profile. First option is profile. If I click on this profile, so it will open this user profile page. For example, I'm just clicking on profile. You can see this user form is opening. This particular user profile form is opening. Okay. When we click on this profile, next. So next I'm navigating here. You can see here we have preferences. I'm just clicking on the preferences. 1 second, I'm trying to refresh the screen. Now you can come here. You can see preferences. When we click on preferences, it will show the different options. When we click on preferences, it will show the different options. Display options, themes, accessibility, notifications, debugging, language region, user experience. These many things will appear. Okay, within the preferences. We'll discuss these things later in today's class. Okay. Keyboard shortcuts. When you click on this keyboard shortcuts, it will show some shortcuts. You can see. If you want to favorite something, you don't require to click on that star icon. You just click Control Shift F. If you want to go for global search, Control Alt C. If you want to impensate some user, Control Shift I. Okay, these are few shortcuts. Okay. So page actions, general. Okay, team, these are the few of the shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. Next, impatient user. Impatient user, what it means. So, for example, team, now I have logged in as system administrator. Okay. Now I want to impatient to Anusha user, for example. Now I want to impatient to Anusha user. Okay, without her credentials, we can able to redirect to her account. Okay, without her credentials, we can able to redirect to her account. You can see. So now I log in with the Anusha account. Now I log in with the Anusha user account. Okay, I'm just ending the impensation. Okay, end impensation. So impensation is for indirectly log into the another user account within the ServiceNow instance. So you may think, so if we are impensating other users to the impensating to the other users, it may have some security concerns, right? No, it's not like that. Okay. For example, I have impensated with Anusha user, right? So maybe Anusha user facing some issue. Okay, Anusha user facing some issue. So she has raised one ticket to support to team. So now they want to check like what exactly she is facing the issue, what issue she is exactly facing. So then what support team members will do? First of all, support team members has to log in into the Anusha system and they have to verify, right, like how the issue is she facing, and they are trying to replicate the issue. Okay, for that we require her credentials, right? So instead of taking her credentials directly, so we can log in into her system indirectly. There is no security issues here. So because so within the organization instance only we are impatiating. Okay. Next, elevated role. So generally what happens? So whenever the user is logged into the system, whenever the user is logged into the system, roles will automatically apply. So for example, I'm taking Anusha user again. Anusha user having the 5 roles. Anusha user having the 5 roles. Whenever she log in into the system, that 5 roles will automatically added to her profile once upon her login into the system. Okay. So whatever the features available with that particular roles, she can able to access. Okay. But here we have elevated role. What it means? Elevated role will not get once upon the login. Once we log in, we will not get elevated role. Okay. We have to select elevated role manually. So for example, we have here security underscore admin role. We have security underscore admin role. So basically system administrator having this role, but because of this is a elevated role, this role will not apply once upon the login. So we have to apply this role to the user manually. Then only we can able to access this role related features. Got it, team? Any queries? So this is about elevated role. For example, I have to select like this, select and update. Then role will be applied. So printer friendly version. For example, you are in some page, you want to take printout of that page or screenshot of that page. So you just click on printer friendly version. So it will give printing version within the next page. You can see it is appearing like this. So you just right click print. Okay. So you can see Microsoft printer PDF Xerox PDF. Like this, you can see this is the printer friendly version. So I may open one incident record and I will show you. Okay. So for example, I'm just opening one incident record. Now you can see printer friendly version. It's loading. Wait. Now I want to load this. Now I want to print this form. Okay. Now I want to print this form. You just click here, click to print. You can see. This entire form I can able to print. Okay, team, got it, everyone? This is a printer friendly version. printer friendly version. Next, logout. If the user want to log out, yes, we have logout option, and again I'm logging. Login. So this is about user profile options. So I will navigate to these preferences later in today class. Okay. We have pending is preferences only. We have multiple options here. I have to explain that. Next. So I'm just pin to left side of this page. This is the application navigation frame. This area we are calling as application navigation frame. This entire area we are calling as application navigation frame. Application navigation frame. Okay. And this area we are calling as whatever the area is selected, we are calling it as content frame. This area we are calling as content frame. Okay. Now you can come here. This is a application navigation search. Here we have filter icon, right? This we are calling as a application navigation search. Within this search, filter navigation search, so we can only able to search applications and modules. Okay, within this global search, if we enter any text, related results will get. So, but within this filter navigation search, you can only able to search applications and modules. So, for example, I want to search for incident application. You can say I just clicked on incident. So, all incident related applications and modules are appearing. Okay, like this. So, this is a refresh icon. If you want to refresh this application navigation menu, this is a refresh icon. Okay, this is a pin, right? So this is a application navigation search. This filter icon will appear calling as application navigation search. Okay. So this entire area we are calling as a application navigation frame. So you can see this area we are calling as a application navigator. Application navigator. This area we are calling as a application navigator. Okay. Next. I'm just closing this. So now you can see here we have applications and modules. So for example, I'm just I will show something like this. For example, I'm just typing incident. So within the all results, you can see here self-service is the application. Under self-service, these are modules. Under self-service, these are modules. So service desk is the application. If we found some icon like this, that we are calling as a application. Okay, under that modules. Incident is application, these all are the modules. Again, you can see. So here also similar kind of this icon is appearing down arrow. But this is not an application. You can see within this application only. So this is a separator. Okay, this is a separator. Within this application, this is a separator. Got it? So these are the applications and modules. These are the application and modules. You can see left side, we have edit icon. So I have admin role, right? We log in with system administrator and having the admin role. So this edit icon is appearing. If you want to edit this module, yes, you can able to. If you want to bookmark, so for example, if you want to bookmark favorites, this particular link, yes, you just click on star icon. Same for application. Okay, these are applications and modules. So any queries up to here, team, from the banner frame or application navigation frame? Yeah, for every user account, we can able to impensate. Yeah, Muhammad, if it possible, instead of messages, you can ask me your queries directly. Okay, I may miss messages. Team, so basically for that impensating to other users, okay, we have separate role. Okay, if we are having that role, then only we can impensate. And one more thing is, so for example, we have Anusha user and we have Ashok user. For example, Ashok user is planning to impensate with the Anusha user. So, but Ashok user is having the lesser roles than Anusha user. then Ashok user only able to access from the Anusha's account, like whatever Ashok user have in the roles. Okay, whatever the Ashok user able to access the features. Okay, team. Can I move on to the forms and lists? Can I move on? This
Yeah,
meet.
yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So this meeting will end in 2 minutes. You can join the meeting again. Okay. This meeting will end in 2 minutes. You can join again. So now I'm navigating to the incident. So you don't worry about all these options. Okay. You are listening for the first time, right? These options. You may remember this time. So in the long run, so like once you are started working on this ServiceNow instance, then you can able to understand, oh, this is a banner film. Oh, this is the application navigation search. Oh, this is a global search. Like that you can able to understand. Maybe in one class you may not understand, but you will understand. Okay, in long run.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any more queries, let me know. This meeting will end in 1 minute. Team, this meeting will end in 1 minute. Please join again with the same meeting ID. Now you can see
Yes.
I'm just navigating to the list. So I'm just clicking on all. I'm just typing incident. Okay, for example, I'm just navigating to the incident list. Okay, I'm just clicking on all. It will open a list view. It will open a incident list view. You can see this is a list. This area we are calling as list. This area we are calling as a list. So this entire area you can see. This entire area we are calling as a list. Okay, team. From this list, we have three dots, three lines icon, right? Three lines icon. So this three lines icon, we are calling it as a hamburger menu. This three lines icon, we are calling as a hamburger menu. Okay. This three lines icon, we are calling as a hamburger menu. This is a filter icon. If you want to filter some data, for example, so you just click on filter.